Welcome back to Tech with AdilMC, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I'll be rebuilding and restoring my old trailer. The aim is to have it be light so I can carry more load. The trailer needs to have its paint corrected, make a box for the trailer with a lid, get new lighting and wiring, and get rid of the old rusted out wire holders. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so I don't have much footage for this project, but I have a lot of before and afters as I was making changes, so I'll just work with what I have. Okay, so I painted one side, as you can see. While painting the inner fender, I realized the suspension needs some love too. So I'll be painting the suspension and changing the tires. 2 wire holders and the wiring have already been removed at this point. Finally, the chassis has been painted along with the suspension. I used rust inhibitor black paint. Only the bottom of the trailer is left to paint now. I've completed the wiring and painted the entire trailer. The wire runs through the middle and splits in the center to go on either side towards the lights. While doing the wiring, I switched the 2 wires around because I wanted the left light on the right side and the right light on the left side. I wanted the license plate on the top side instead of the bottom so the license plate doesn't rub on the ground. And since the license plate light is on only one of the lights, I had to do the switcheroo. Okay, so the paint is done, the wiring is done, suspension is done, and now finally the license plate is also mounted. Now, it's time to paint all the wooden pieces I cut for the trailer. The wooden pieces are weatherproof and the paint is also weatherproof. Here is the trailer fully assembled with the box in place and the tie downs installed on the chassis. I also installed the third leg, which is the stand that the trailer sits on when it's not hitched. I put down some wood to give the tarp some shape since I'm using a tarp as the lid, and it's waterproof. Here's the finished version. Thank you for watching everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.